In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Messenger on desktop. Whether you're catching up with friends or coordinating work, you can do it right from your browser. First, open Facebook.com in any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. A reliable connection helps pages load quickly and keeps calls stable. If you're not already signed in, sign into your account so the Messenger tools appear. Look to the top right corner of the Facebook page and click the Messenger icon. It looks like a speech bubble with a small lightning bolt. If you see a number badge, that means you have unread messages. Clicking the icon opens a compact panel of your recent conversations so you can glance at what's new without leaving the page. For the full chat experience and a cleaner workspace, click See All in Messenger at the bottom of that panel. This opens the full chat view in your browser, where everything is easier to navigate on a larger canvas. The larger view also gives you more room to read and reply without scrolling as much. In this view, your conversation list sits on the left, the active chat is in the middle, and details about the selected chat may appear on the right. Open any conversation by selecting it from the list or by using the search bar at the top to find someone by name. Once the chat opens, start messaging right away. Click into the message box, type your note, and press enter to send. You can add emojis or GIFs for tone, or attach a file or photo when you need to share something specific. If you want to talk in real time, you can make calls directly from the chat. Choose the phone icon for an audio call or the camera icon for a video call. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Allow it so others can hear and see you. Reactions make it easy to acknowledge messages without typing. Hover over any message and choose an emoji to react. It's a quick way to say thanks, confirm you've seen something, or show support while keeping the conversation moving. That's it. Open Facebook.com, click the Messenger icon, then see All in Messenger for the full view. From there, you can open any conversation, send messages, place voice or video calls, and react to messages. With these basics, you'll handle your chats from desktop with confidence.